I'm home. It's so good to be back. The office was very busy today. I am feeling quite tired.
Welcome home, dear. I am happy you are back. I missed you. Did you have a difficult day? You sound very tired.
Yes, it was a long day. We had a big meeting with an important client. It went well, but it took a lot of energy. I am glad it is over now. How was your day? Was it better than mine?
My day was good. Thank you for asking. It was very quiet and peaceful. I worked in the garden this morning. The weather was lovely and sunny. Then I read my new book for a few hours. It is very interesting. I am really enjoying it.
That sounds wonderful. A quiet day with gardening and reading sounds like a dream right now. I wish my day was like that. I am happy you had a relaxing time. It is what you deserve.
Thank you. Now that you are home, you can relax too. Let's have a nice, quiet evening together. We don't have any plans, so we can just stay in and enjoy ourselves. Does that sound good to you?
That sounds absolutely perfect. A quiet evening is exactly what I need after a day like today. No stress, no rush. Just us.
I was thinking about dinner. Are you hungry? I can start cooking something for us. I went to the market this afternoon and bought some fresh vegetables.
I am starting to feel hungry, yes. That sounds lovely. What were you thinking of making? I am happy with anything, really. I am too tired to be a picky eater tonight.
Well, I bought some beautiful red tomatoes, fresh basil, and some good cheese. I thought I could make a simple pasta dish. We have spaghetti in the cupboard. It would be quick and easy. How does that sound?
Pasta with fresh tomatoes and basil? That sounds delicious. It's one of my favorite meals. And you are right. It is simple and perfect for a tired evening. I can already smell the fresh basil.
Great! I'm glad you like the idea. I will start preparing the ingredients. It should not take too long to cook, maybe about 30 minutes. While I cook, you can sit down and rest for a little while.
Can I help you with anything? I can chop the vegetables or set the table. I don't want you to do all the work by yourself. It is our evening together, after all.
That's very sweet of you. You can help me by setting the table, if you like. The plates are in the top cupboard, and the cutlery is in the drawer next to the stove. That would be a big help.
Okay, the table is all set. I put out the blue plates that you like and the nice glasses. I also lit a small candle to make it feel cozy. Is there anything else I can do to help you in the kitchen?
The table looks beautiful. Thank you. You always know how to make things special. You can help me by washing the tomatoes, please. They are in the bowl next to the sink. Just rinse them under cold water.
Of course. I will wash them right now. So, the water for the pasta is boiling on the stove. What is the next step? I like watching you cook. You are a very good cook.
Thank you. That's kind of you to say. After you wash the tomatoes, I will chop them into small pieces. Then I will heat some olive oil in a pan and add some garlic. After a minute, I will add the chopped tomatoes and let them cook until they become a soft sauce.
Garlic and olive oil. The kitchen is already starting to smell wonderful. And what about the basil? When do you add that? I love the smell of fresh basil.
I add the fresh basil at the very end. I will tear the leaves and stir them into the sauce just before we serve it. That way, the flavor stays fresh and strong. Now, can you please pass me the salt and pepper?
Here they are. This is very relaxing. Just cooking together and talking. It's much better than thinking about work. Our quiet evening is off to a wonderful start. I feel better already.
The pasta is ready. Please be careful. The plate is hot. I hope you enjoy it. I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top for you.
It looks and smells amazing. Thank you so much for cooking this delicious meal. This is much better than any restaurant. You are truly a fantastic cook. Let's eat.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it. It is a simple meal, but sometimes simple things are the best, especially when you use fresh ingredients. How is the taste? Is it good?
It's perfect. The tomatoes are so sweet, and the basil adds a wonderful freshness. The pasta is cooked just right. It's exactly what I wanted tonight. Thank you again. So, tell me more about the book you are reading.
Oh, it's a mystery novel. It is set in a small, quiet village in the English countryside. A detective from the city arrives to solve a strange case. The story is very clever and has many twists. I can't guess who the criminal is.
That sounds very interesting. You love mystery novels. Maybe I can read it after you are finished. We could talk about the ending. Does it have any interesting characters?
Yes, the main detective is very smart and funny, and the people in the village all have secrets. It makes the story very exciting. I will definitely give it to you when I am done. You will like it.
That was a truly wonderful dinner. I feel so much better now. Thank you again for making it. I enjoyed every single bite.
I'm so happy you enjoyed it. It was nice to have a proper meal together at the table. We should do this more often, even on weekdays. It feels special.
I agree completely. Now it's my turn to do some work. You cooked, so I will do the washing up. Please, go and sit down and relax. You have done enough for one evening.
Are you sure? There are quite a few pots and pans. I can help you. We can do it together. It will be much faster. Many hands make light work, as they say.
No, I insist. I want to do it. It's only fair. You can keep me company if you like. You can sit at the table and tell me more about your day, or we can listen to some music while I wash the dishes.
Okay, if you are sure. That is very kind of you. I will stay here and talk to you. Let's put on some music. What would you like to listen to? Something calm and relaxing?
Yes, some soft jazz music would be perfect. It will make washing the dishes feel less like a chore. This really is a nice, peaceful evening. I am very grateful for it.
There, all the dishes are clean and put away. The kitchen is tidy again.
You did a great job. Thank you for your help.
It was my pleasure. Teamwork makes everything easier.
So, what should we do for the rest of the evening? It's still quite early.
Well, we could watch a movie. We haven't watched a movie together in a long time. We could get comfortable on the sofa with a warm blanket.
A movie sounds like a perfect idea. I feel like watching something light and funny. I don't think I have the energy for a serious drama or a complicated thriller tonight. I just want to laugh.
I agree. A comedy would be great. Let's look at the streaming service and see what is available. Do you have any particular movie in mind or any actors you would like to see?
Not really. I am happy to watch anything you choose. You always have good taste in movies. Why don't you find something that you think we will both enjoy? I will go and make us some tea to drink while we watch.
Okay, that's a deal. I will find a good comedy and you will make the tea. How about that new romantic comedy that our friends were talking about? They said it was very funny and sweet. Let me see if I can find it.
That was a truly wonderful dinner. I feel so much better now. Thank you again for making it. I enjoyed every single bite.
I'm so happy you enjoyed it. It was nice to have a proper meal together at the table. We should do this more often, even on weekdays. It feels special.
I agree completely. Now it's my turn to do some work. You cooked, so I will do the washing up. Please, go and sit down and relax. You have done enough for one evening.
Are you sure? There are quite a few pots and pans. I can help you. We can do it together. It will be much faster. Many hands make light work, as they say.
No, I insist. I want to do it. It's only fair. You can keep me company if you like. You can sit at the table and tell me more about your day, or we can listen to some music while I wash the dishes.
Okay, if you are sure. That is very kind of you. I will stay here and talk to you. Let's put on some music. What would you like to listen to? Something calm and relaxing?
Yes, some soft jazz music would be perfect. It will make washing the dishes feel less like a chore. This really is a nice, peaceful evening. I am very grateful for it.
That part was so funny. The way he tried to fix the elevator button with his shoe was hilarious. I can't stop laughing.
I know. His facial expression was priceless. I am really enjoying this movie. You made a great choice. It is exactly what I needed tonight. Silly and fun.
I'm glad you like it. Oh, wait. Can you pause the movie for just one moment, please? My phone is ringing. I should check who it is. It might be important.
Of course. No problem at all. I will pause it right here. I hope it's not bad news. Take your time to answer the call.
Thank you. Answers phone. Hello? Oh, hi, Mom. Yes, everything is fine. We are just having a quiet evening at home, watching a movie. No, nothing special is happening. How are you?
Waiting patiently. Is everything all right? I hope your mother is okay.
Finishes call. Yes, everything is fine. She just called to say hello and ask about our weekend plans. I told her we would call her back tomorrow. Sorry for the interruption. We can continue the movie now.
That was a great ending. I did not expect that to happen. It was very sweet and also very funny. I'm glad we watched this movie.
Me too. It was a really lovely film. It made me laugh a lot, but it also had a very nice story about friendship and love. It was the perfect choice for our quiet evening.
I agree. The main actors were so good together. They had great chemistry. It makes you believe in their story. I would definitely recommend this movie to our friends.
We should. So, what was your favorite part of the movie?
I think my favorite part was when they started telling each other their deepest secrets because they thought they would never get out.
That was a great scene. My favorite part was the musical number they did to pass the time. It was so unexpected and silly. I was laughing so hard. It was a very creative idea for a scene.
Oh, yes, that was brilliant. I had almost forgotten about that. You are right, it was a highlight of the film. I am happy that it had a happy ending. I always like movies with happy endings.
Me too. A happy ending makes you feel good. It was a very satisfying film. I feel very relaxed and happy now. It was a wonderful way to spend the evening. Look at the time. It's getting quite late. The movie was longer than I thought. I think it's time to get ready for bed. I am starting to feel sleepy.
You are right, it is late. I am feeling sleepy too. It's a good kind of tired, though. A relaxed and peaceful tired, not a stressed tired, like when I came home from work.
That's good to hear. I'm glad our quiet evening helped you to relax and forget about your busy day. It was lovely spending this time with you.
It was lovely spending time with you, too. Thank you for everything tonight, for the conversation, the delicious dinner, and for finding the perfect movie. It was a perfect evening.
You are very welcome. I enjoyed it just as much as you did. I will go and brush my teeth. Will you make sure all the lights are turned off downstairs before you come up?
Of course, I will lock the doors and turn off all the lights. I will be up in a few minutes. We have another busy day tomorrow, so we should get a good night's sleep.
Yes, we should. Good night, my dear. I will see you in the morning. Sleep well and have sweet dreams. I love you.
Good night. Sleep well. I love you too.